In previous lectures, we have discussed about the consumer behavior, introduction of consumer behavior, utility of consumer behavior, satisfaction and utility. We discussed difference between satisfaction and utility. Also, we had discussed in previous lectures. Today's my focus on important models of consumer behavior. We have some models for consumer behavior because to understand the consumer, to know the consumer, models are necessary. So some models are here. First model, the economic model, learning model, psychological model, sociological model, the Harvard State model of buying behavior, Nicosia model, the Engel Colette Blackwell model. These are the models. So, and we know very well some traditional models also. We can categorize the models into the category and we can differentiate through the traditional models. Some models are under the category of traditional and some are contemporary models. So traditional models are economic model, learning model, psychological model, the sociological model. These are the traditional models. Contemporary models are also available here. The Harvard State model, the Nicosia model, the Engel Colette Blackwell model, and Engel Blackwell and Mignard model. These are the models category. We can classify it into two category: traditional model and contemporary models. Now we are discussing about the economic model. We know very well economy matters. When we concentrate on consumer behavior, so price is most important factor for effect of consumer behavior. So this model, economic model, this model assumes that with limited purchasing power and a set of needs and taste, a consumer will allocate his or her expenditure over the different